High-quality Avenger space heaters are designed, engineered, and assembled in the USA. The best space heater on the market. Avenger's dual-fuel ventless blue flame heater is built for durability and efficiency to keep your home toasty warm for many cold seasons to come. This compact, expertly built gas space heater gives you a reliable source of heat. It runs at 10,000 maximum BTU, which heats up to 500 square feet of living space. No electricity is required, which is perfect for keeping you warm during power outages. This space heater has patented dual-fuel technology, which allows it to operate on either natural gas or propane gas, without compromising function for beauty. This versatile gas space heater has been redesigned for a slimmer and efficient profile to effortlessly fit into your home. Product features 10,000 maximum BTU when using natural gas, 10,000 maximum BTU when using propane gas, economy level, 5,000 BTU when using natural gas, heat settings 1, 2, 3. Economy level, 8,000 BTU when using propane gas, heat settings 1, 2, 3. Heats up to 500 square feet. Patented dual-fuel technology. One unit operates off natural gas or liquid propane. Thermostat Control. The control automatically cycles the burner on and off to maintain the desired room temperature. 5 heat settings with micro heat adjustments between each set. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Newly redesigned cabinet for a slimmer profile. Economical. 99.9% efficient. No outside duct or chimney is needed. Heat for only pennies an hour. Safety assurance. Oxygen depletion sensor included with automatic shut-off. No electricity required to operate heater. Push-button piezo ignition system, CSI certified. Product dimensions: 21.2 inches height by 15.79 inches width by 6.85 inches depth. Product weight: 13 pounds. Ship weight: 15.5 pounds. This product is proudly assembled in the USA. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Technology. 10,000 BTU patented dual-fuel technology using natural gas or liquid propane blue flame heater, which heats up to 500 square feet area. Number 2. Dependable. Thermostat Control offers automatically cycles the burner on and off to maintain the desired room temperature. Ideal for greater heat flow that could add a warm atmosphere in your room. Number 3. Economical. 99.9% efficient with a vent-free gas burner. No outside duct or chimney is needed. Environmental protection and energy conservation. Number 4. Safe. Push-button piezo ignition with built-in pilot oxygen depletion sensor immediately shuts down the heater if carbon monoxide or lack of oxygen is detected. Number 5. Warning: not approved for use in California or Canada. Please check local codes for permitted use. Number 6. Blue flame technology. Avenger dual-fuel ventless blue flame heater with blue flame technology included, which helps to provide a feasible source of heat. Number 7. Thermostat Control. Thermostat Control allows you to set the thermostat to your ideal comfort level. Just one push of the button to enjoy a great source of dependable, affordable heat. Number 8. Wall mounting. Wall mounting bracket included with the heater. The mounting bracket can be attached to the back of the heater, allowing you to hang the heater on the wall for better circulation. Number 9. Safety. Designed, engineered, and tested in the USA. This product also features an oxygen depletion sensor with automatic shut-off for safety assurance, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.